Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by centering on your icon and confirming the facing cone. That tells you where enemies are likely detected. Once done, scan for allied dots and red pings to build a quick mental map of friend and threat positions. Make sure to note objective markers and any heartbeat or footstep indicators. These show recent movement. You'll combine those immediate reads to prioritize movement, decide whether to push or hold, and align your sight lines with probable enemy approaches. Now expand your read by distinguishing transient red blips from sustained red tags. A blip often means a fleeting ping, while a tag implies persistent contact. Once you see a contact, correlate that position with nearby cover and building outlines on the map to predict likely enemy paths and angles. Make sure to cross-check with audio cues, UAV icons, and teammate callouts so you don't chase false positives. Then slot that information into a simple plan. Flank, suppress, or complete the process by converting your minimap read into immediate action. Pick a movement plan, flank, rotate, or hold, and mark a safe rally point for teammates. Once decided, adjust your positioning and loadout based on contact distance and available cover so you don't peek into disadvantageous fights. If the map feed glitches or shows no contacts, fall back to sound, muzzle flashes, and teammate bearings. Then resync with a UAV or recon ping as soon as possible to restore situational awareness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.